Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply install Epic Game Launcher in your Windows device in a very simple way. For that, what you have to do, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Epic Games. Then click enter. And then you're going to get this website. Just simply click on it. And then you're going to get the download option into the right corner. If you click on that, then going to click on the download and the download will be started. After completed, you can simply click on the folder icon over here and simply click on to install, and you can see it's preparing to install. So the setup wizard is rightly showing. I'm going to change the path, so I'm going to select new path, click OK and click install. There will be a verification, click yes, and then the installation process will be begin. After completing that, you can simply see that the Epic Games is rightly opening in your Windows PC. It's now verifying your update. So it's about 806.3 MB, so it will take a couple of seconds. For that, you have to keep your patience. And now you can simply see that you have to put your email address over here. Also, you can simply select the other consoles, and there are other ways to sign in from your Apple, Steam, or Google. So you can simply give your email address. Also, there is another process to do that, and then you just simply accept the terms and the permissions, and your Epic Games is rightly showing in your computer device. It's very simple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.